Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and with me as usual is Marcel, my husband, behind the camera. Now this evening we are in New Hope in Trelawney. It's a different section from where we were with Mass Navy, but we're here this evening to go and visit a gentleman who is visually impaired, so we'll talk to him in a little while. But please do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video, you will be notified. All right, let's take the journey. Okay. Oh Lord, just want to look at makeshift walkway, Marcel. Oh. Oh wow. The evening is nice and cool still. I wonder if I'd see him alone live up here, so. Let's see any other houses. Let's sit down in the doorway. Mr. Brown? Yeah. You do? Wow. Oh Lord. What is your correct name? I hear everybody call it Chappy Brown. So what's your correct name? Winston Cook. So why them call it Chappy Brown now? You don't know?
Call me name, just call me. Enough name, call me, you know.
Eh?
Just answer any name.
Oh, because when they say Chappy Brown, me I think so, you know, their last name is Brown. But,
Name of Cook.
oh, Winston Cook. Yeah. Okay. All right, so Winston Cook, aka Chappy Brown.
Yeah.
All right, so I will call you Chappy Brown because everybody I get to understand refer to you as Chappy Brown.
Yeah.
All right, so how are things with you? First of all, let me just say this. I get to understand that you're visually impaired.
Yeah.
Means that, are you able to see us?
I just glimpse.
Glimpse. So you can see my face?
No, I can't make out no face. That's how the problem.
Oh.
Like if a man like a white hair beard and the near up, I might see white beard. To look why I didn't put on a shirt, I say, yeah, if I point the number, then I print him in a white, I see.
Yes. So you can see my shirt.
Yeah.
What color you see?
Glimpse yellow.
Oh yes. Okay, so you can see.
Yes, glimpse yellow, but
right.
glimpse like a white in your hand, but can't tell you what.
Oh, I have a water bottle with a white cover. So maybe that is what you're seeing.
Just like that.
So what happened to you so that, you know, for you to become visually impaired?
You know what I say? There's a man fling rock stone and lick me in my face, broke my nose and broke my jawbone. And damaged my eye bone.
Yeah?
Now I go to doctor say damage the eye bone, nose broke, jawbone broke, and then 3 finger fracture. And 3 finger I can't hold nothing proper.
So what happened? You were fighting or something?
I never fight, you know. I just say me have my baby mother and me and my baby mother leave.
Yeah.
And she live a month ago be so she asked me, yeah, some pumpkin one time and say, sell it for me. And she sell it and she say, it's sell. And she say she had do selling her gate, so she order some food for me. And I buy some food and send for her. And I trust $12 worth of pumpkin for and if him pumpkin, he say pumpkin. I say 2 weeks time, I tell him 2 weeks and I get the money. He asked me for money 3 times before 2 weeks. And I could tell him to board with him. So I say, imagine a 3 times he asked me for money before. Before 2 weeks. And me come over and the woman talk to me with 1 credit and me come over. And I remember if I tell her, I say, all right, he must say if he said come for your money, Albert told me, say no, me not come. Then I tell him, say, give you a Saturday. So I remember I go back over the tree, so I get 1 credit to talk to him and he jump up. So then after, she want the money, me no want that 1,200, you don't want that 1,200, neither I don't want that 1,200. I mean, you said that in
Try.
And that in man lick me.
Looking at your face.
Even me go there, I still go cash pot. Man jump up with him, I say jump over and counter, you see him, you say if you come and play, say if you come in. And the man never had no argument with that. And man, I'm a man 1-9 shop, you know. As I spend my money, I'm a lucky shop, you know. The man inside, I'm a push up a shop, you know, lucky. And the man gone on, I'm left all the way from up there, so. Come to here, so. And nobody never let me down the road. And the man let me down in the yard. Look at that. Night come. I'm one left all the way come. So man let me down the road, man let me down in the yard and chop me. Man push my sisters on my crutches and say, if you may know so much money in my pocket, and let me down and take it. I want me have my land go over one corner around there, so. And for him lying over in the other side.
Okay.
And that the man say.
Oh, so how long ago was this now?
And this is 14 years this morning, I check in 10 of February.
So it has been 14 years since you have been blind?
10 years.
10 years.
I say 11 years. I get March 1, 2013, this one go away. And I couldn't get no surgery. And when we call a UV, we go a UV, I go to clinic, and one time I go to the doctor. I never get no surgery there. He call me down here and tell me say machine broke down. And I say to him, say, my machine broke down, may I get a next feedback from this I like when I did get from the next one. And say, if I get a clinic date and come up, and I get the clinic date and go up there and say, all right, I'm not able to go see out of none of them.
Yeah.
I say, when I gone already, and it's a go help me see him here.
Yeah.
So I say I have to get surgery, and they give me 1 letter with $1 million. 2 letters with $1 million. I couldn't find $1. And I tell me, I come out and stay blind because I can't find it. And I did tell me, for about a week or so, and a nurse called me and he said, when I nurse called me, I said, "It's a coke you've been seen by any doctor since you go home." I tell her, no. I said, because I tell her, I don't have no money on me. So I stay blind. He said, all right, take your letter and go back public. But then you're able to catch it for you. You might not see so bright enough, but then I might be able to catch it for you. So I go up there and I go through it 29 of July 2014. I do surgery. I don't know, I don't see nothing more further out of more. First, he said me a glimpse now because I come here for long, see him here.
Yeah, because you weren't able to see anything at all.
Not at all, and like I see all one tree just bend up so all the car and mass vehicle and just mash up so everything, all the grass them so run so. So long, I don't know if a bad sway now, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Couldn't, nothing. You have focus so like a bit.
Yes.
You know, I don't know. And they say me not to use no eye drops, no medicine, nothing, nobody give me no glass, nothing at all. I say, oh, sunshade. I say, yes, sunshade, because you know, you take off the sun. So I could have a sunshade, but after a couple of years, I take away sunshade, but I
It's not improved.
Yeah, it come like reverse and me have it us.
Yeah.
Me I say it come like reverse because me put on my neighbor toast it over so me have it us. I
Yeah.
got long bunny in the sun.
Yeah.
Up to since morning I used to me I want piece and me I look for it, you know. Because me I say boy when the sun hot boy I have to have cover you have to try to cover it, it's not it can't go out.
Yeah.
We clear glass them, the sun burn me through your earth, it make your earth, you have to take off it. So that's there, me there seeing we are going.
So what type of work you used to do before before you got blind? What type of work you used to do?
I was eco farming, me depend on eco farming, me de, you know.
So where you farm? What you plant?
I used to plant some cane, plant and yam.
Oh, and it was going good?
Catch crop and yeah man, I raise my cow them and my goat them and boy. Since me get the last, you know, me have to sell the cow them due to my sickness and I'm here alone. I left 6 goats. I said I take time to tie them. And I teeth 6 goats.
The teeth the 6 of them?
Teeth 6 goats. And say every day me feeling on me man.
Yeah.
I smile enough to yesterday I thought I say yo me just sell one goat and buy some food now.
Yeah. So what do you do now? So because you can't do that farming again like you used to do before you became blind, before you lost your sight. So what you do now? You know, to get food and to maintain yourself.
I still plant Likkle ground, you know, but it's slow and you know, I say, boy, once a time, all right, you know, let me plant this year and that. I mean, I go down to nothing this time and I have them roll up, you know.
You have them run up?
Most
so you want to do it or you call somebody to help you?
Sometimes my son there with me, most of the time I want to do it, I just go down and just, you know,
so it's one son you have?
One son, I have a country, you know.
Okay.
Next big stepson at town, but one son, I have a country. One son, I have to. All of them boss gone dead on this one. So. But they still go and push it now because right now, in my house, I know about mosquito and cold that kill me enough by the time. About 3 years plus now, me write up for a government house, but.
Oh, you write up for your government house?
Yeah.
Now what happened? You don't hear anything else?
I don't hear nothing, no. Doctor let give me a surf ticket to me and he said I can go for halfway tree and get help.
What kind of help?
Like any assistant from must it, you know, if a poor relief or somewhere, but some have.
Okay.
And me surf a ticket, but me never show me can't find. Me never can manage that. I have to find out. Me ask Sheldon to look about it, but and say then see something on phone and then they tell me and then me have to go sign up. And the JP send post a letter to town.
Oh.
So I say me that want like a room, want like a nice place to live because sometimes you know, right among us all nice place but me see me can't see me.
Okay, so apart from, because you were saying, talking about mosquito and the cold and you said rat, so apart from those things you mentioned, what else happened to the house?
Well, the house, you know, it crack up and bust up, you know.
Oh.
And it look feeble to me, you know, because I 3 times there and the earthquake Japan. The time I come last time, I come right there, so I jump out. I think I want one drop in the house back and hear it's like, boy, I don't know, you know.
So it shake bad?
Yeah, man, shake, man, because you can see if floor everywhere crack up and if you come inside, you see more cracking them and.
Oh, okay. So inside. We can come in, can look?
Yeah, man, then anything you can see more cracking and all boats, you know. But, you can see it crack up and bust up and then pass. Not all right. All.
On the floor, there's a big crack.
Because you get crack up crossway and all in here, so see.
So this are after the earthquake, all of this? These are the result?
Yes, you see, because me, you see, it's so that all around of them place, all some, where me I look and see some parts, so we bust up on me, I say, but I say, it's here. It's like it push, it's like it's a push off, like smash it in. I don't know who said to me already, you say.
So the veranda drop on the floor, crack up.
If it will collapse, if it will collapse. So I don't know if it will, at time and really fall or if anything like that go off again.
Oh, okay. So is it that the house that you apply for, is where exactly you apply for it?
I say drop it at a Spanish Town.
And you drop it off?
Yeah.
So you know, call and find out, do a follow up? Is it with food for the poor?
Because I'm here alone. February, February, me broke one lady named Miss Reed. And I talked to her and she said she come give me help me get some fertilizer and so forth, asking if you don't say me can't do anything. And then me I put it to him, say me do set down for the house, so if, and she said the lady, you see the lady what did they about that, so I can say 2 days ago.
Yeah.
But we could have deal with it, but I don't hit him deal with it. So me never know, me never see no more, me I try if really to get to him to see if me could have get a talk on it still.
Okay.
Because, you know, me I want to say, I land down the road, say, we could jump up and have a better little room.
So this house belongs to who, you?
I mean, it belongs to me, right, really, I fucking know, because mama dead, papa dead.
Oh, you inherited from your parents?
Yeah, and me did there, so, with them, so, I just saw it and...
Okay. How long ago they passed away?
For 35, I got 36 years now. And mother about 10 years, 11 years now.
Oh, okay. So you got, you lost your sight before you lost your mom?
Yeah. When mom did, I make a soup. I make a soup, one did gone already. I make a soup and it's like heat, me feel the heat help damage the one so fast at the time.
Yeah.
She make some soup, we put the night and the fire heat, it ferment out.
That's how the night?
Yeah, I feel it. And I don't know. And some funding time, you know, we go to bomb surgeon. Surgeon, I see nobody. I don't know if your family them down. None of them is about time.
None of them is around?
I'm not get no contact with them.
Oh, okay. So you like have sisters and brothers?
Yeah, I have big sister parents still, but no contact them. Actually, last time I get a talk with her, she said her eye sick 10 years ago.
Oh Lord! So she has lost her sight as well?
Yeah, and say in family, him daughter and him grand, one friend must help him out. Like. So,
so
one of them, one no brother over there, him almost sick. He say him sick too, because he go homes already and something.
They're older than you?
Yeah, them my sister left me a baby in a bed. So a good time now she over there.
So talk to us about your food situation. You were explaining something to us when we came.
Yes, the food now, you find, right now, I tell us a 2 plant roast since morning. I tell no lies, you find it.
Because you don't have anything else?
No food. I no food. I try to call Ziggy yesterday to say if I get some food for me. But me go road, no phone call, nobody me carry. Took a little while I right out across road, me left from and come back and sit down right. And I say, boy, who me me say, who me up see a pass, that's now me a beg a phone call. We call him and tomorrow Sunday. And
oh, you were going to credit the food?
I buy. Me say, you buy some food for me whether me have money or not. Me give him back money. Get the money, give him back. You see, me have no, but maybe me get a money more time and me can give him back.
Yes. Also, you wanted to call him to let him know that you're low on food and don't have any.
Yeah.
Well, not really low. You don't have any, except for the planting that you're showing to us.
Yeah, no food now in our house, man. God, no food, man. Buy a food last week. One day last week. Flour, rice, oats, everything run out. I'm going to just say, well, boy, you hear me? Just go and bite it still. I'm go out in the road in our car right now. You can't go. Let me feel up and ask you not if you just tell her next time. They not trust. So I have to just go and bite it, said speed, see me? So I say, boy, I don't know.
So has there ever been a time where you find yourself going for days without food?
Boy, a couple of days, you know, but sometimes you build out a way, you know, but I'm hard this week. Since the year I hard this week, is ever
Is the hardest week you ever go through with food?
Yeah, week,
yeah. So there are some days that you don't cook?
Not this week,
The week, yeah.
Yeah, baby, if me have food and me no cook, that's a different thing.
Yeah, but this week you're not having none at all.
Not at all. If you cook right now, January. I tell no lie. Scarcity or something. Empty, nothing left cook. I just get up this morning and I say, alright.
Alright, so Mr. Chappy Brown.
Yeah.
So we got a little hint, you know, that the food situation may be what you just explained to us. So we work with some food that you can have. Marcel, pack this bag. Is what in there, Marcel?
Rice, flour, oats, mackerel.
Yes. So you have some other tin stuff.
Peas.
Yeah. So this should be able to assist you for now. It's not a lot, but considering that you don't have any, I forgot that you can't see me. I forgot that you're not seeing me, I'm stretching away. Yes. So, like I say, it's not much, but we are happy that we're able to walk with it, so at least you could have that. So you're eating mackerel, by the way?
Still.
You're eating mackerel?
No.
You're not eating?
Not eating mackerel.
Oh.
But
what you eat? What you eat? That's like tin peas.
Yeah, like peas and beans and something.
You eat the beans?
And the peas, and something. I'm a tin now. That's the bean me deal with, and the peas are like vegetable and I deal with this too. I eat with the tin mackerel.
Yeah.
I'm in a really full on bowl of beef like that.
Okay.
No, eat one sardine and still.
Oh, you eat the sardine? Yeah.
But I give thanks still because my food never there. And food come now still.
So you eat like what? What type of meat you eat?
No, meat still no, but chicken. Chicken.
Oh, you eat the chicken?
Chicken, but no meat.
Oh, so it's chicken or sardine and then mostly vegetable?
Yeah, most vegetable.
So you don't eat fish?
Yeah, but how the mother mention it cost, so I can't buy it, I don't see it.
Oh, so you left out that one?
I don't see it now.
Oh, my.
I see a one fish sometimes, yes, but if I don't see nothing, I don't force about it. Because right now, if about a year now, I don't get no fish, you know.
Yes?
Last this time I come from China, I tap one woman a green car and he never tap. And I see Shaggy. And Shaggy me get, let me check my head, I know Shaggy number.
Oh.
I see Shaggy from couple months now, so fish around, so. And time I say I want fish farm, I want run. I tell you buy so fish can give me what boy, man.
Yeah, so you don't get lonely up here?
Eh?
You not get lonely up here?
I mean, say, me not lonely up here, man. I say, me I say, if I want me to even want to go down, even go further down the road, so nobody now come up here, say, too tough, you know.
Okay.
Only and two little girls out there they used to come up here, but then get bigger now, then get bigger now, they never pay me two minds. So.
Oh, so nobody comes to visit you?
No, sir. That's nobody.
Oh, no.
That's nobody. And them know me, if they come here, if me want anything, or they see Panchi or move on.
Oh, okay. So most days you're there?
Yeah, every day I'm there. If me not, anytime I'm not there, up at a doctor me go.
Oh, okay.
But right just I'm there every day. Me never bother go up on my son because too tough. Unless me sleep and get a one sleep and go up at 9 night catch bus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, every day, man.
So how you manage to cook? You know, considering that?
Well, see, it's two of you. All right, now, months me no no light. Months. Me remember from August last year. And the doctor and I say, me no lick up my forehead. Say, no come right, son, lick up my makachi bus. And I said that about, right now I feel right, I say, lick up in the stove or so, and I turn ball bus and me bus out. And a couple months, bus out. Lick up in the door, man, all boat, man, all my foot, man, but you have to just give thanks to you, because why?
So you don't walk with a stick?
You must, man, but I can't walk with a stick in a house. That. You know, because me, you know, children far, but you see me out there road now, what,
you have the bamboo stick?
Yeah, if you come round, so. Me go, they say me a plan to come round before it does. If you night does, I have no stick, me can't come home and I drop over the water over there, so taller than me, ready in February, you know, I know me say, I couldn't even go to the doctor.
Oh, no.
And some bush or something, I have a drink and boil or something.
Oh, Lord.
I would 2 times now, I drop over there.
Yes. Okay, so was it night or day?
Night. Go buy food on Baton Road all night.
Oh, now come back.
And just up catch me.
Oh, my.
I miss the road. I never have such a ticket, but you know what happened to me.
Yeah.
Where it reach a ground before me. Reach for me, we have it up tall.
Yes.
So one night I come in from the road, you know, if I have it, chop off my neck too, you know. Right down a coconut tree down there, so. If I have it, then chop off my neck, man.
What you mean?
Eh?
What happened?
I come in and man just hide me down in the bushes and come out. One chop, me get chopped right just so over this stick I make it find that now it was a can measure. And if me had a stick I must take off some of my chop off. Right off so I beat me a wheel with stick attached to my and shot. If I chop out just so right just sip it out so. I'm go up why if you go road the night I turn over when catch one of brother pick and I turn over was some place to go road. I go road and nobody will ever help me.
Oh no.
I want brother from Crown. He run taxi in the WhatsApp and he help me and give me a drive go up the road and I go up the road and my son and my grandson go up the station about night 12 o'clock. And I sleep up there in my dreams. Mother tell me say if you come back down here early I go see something. And when I come back and I heard me tell you say I come early, I come find my machete down there. Machete at the station now, and no police and no arrest me tell you, so they feel you hold me and nobody know me now. And since that I can't get chopped on my head back. Since that I can't get chopped on my head back, a 3 years me there on Court Road. And then still take the case the man who chopped me. I mean I trouble nobody.
Yeah.
Right?
So you have a lot of bad things happening to you in that way. What do you think cause all of that?
Why, it's bad mind people, bad mind. You say, I'm not trouble nobody, I'm not do nobody nothing. Alright, a 17 youth there so with me, I feel the 17 youth. Go work and come back and cook and eat and 17 man get food. Right now, in December, one of them send 30 grand come give me and say me fi help myself.
Yes.
And so come me could have buy like a food and deal with what me could have deal with the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, me tell you, man.
Yeah.
I told me I go through a whole struggle me go through, you know, man. You can't tell me, man, I get over 10 chop already, my share chopping, and I never chop a man yet.
Oh, no.
So I must bad mind that. I can't good mind that. I have no bad heart that. Bad ways them there.
Yeah.
I never chop a man yet. When I space chop when I get man, you could have write a book. I saw 2 days ago and I see him, I said I could have write a book.
Yeah.
Out of my life, how my life run. See it?
So suppose you were to get sick now, what would happen? Because you're alone, you don't have a phone.
Dead. No more almost dead me or dead time come if me get sick or if me see me there so now alright I'm right now me not tell me I'm 1 week now me no see Ziggy. And Ziggy there are worse of same way still. But him go work and snap every time then come in. You know one night and if he move again. Me I look for a morning and say me da see him.
Yeah.
And me no see him so me can't say nothing more. Every man a big man you know same way. So you see me I show you say you can't put no spell upon no man because right now every man get big.
Yeah.
And me can't really can't find a woman can stay with this. I don't know why I get you know what I say boy. You can't support on the way, you know true?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just look for the deal still.
So apart from the, because you know you explain you need be in the house, but at the same time you would have applied for one, so it's just a matter of you know probably doing a follow-up to see how that process is going.
Yeah, but I don't know how I could get to. For you see, just as me see me, my girl, you see why Marsha get in the jail and supposed to come out here. And I say if Marsha the day I might be able to get you certified to help me if you do all of this something on the phone, you know. But me have nobody to help me because if my son he came in and talk to you know no long talking and listen them, you know.
Oh, so but you know the name of the place. It's just a matter of getting the number to call.
Yeah.
That is it?
Me don't know which part, you know.
Oh.
Me don't know
who did drop off that? Is somebody did drop it off for you?
Yeah. Sheldon drop off for me.
Who is Sheldon?
My stepson.
Oh, so where is he?
That town.
Oh, so you talk to him sometime?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I come go I come go for I'm not go to doctor now, I go to the doctor the 5th of this month. 5th of April and come pick me up and carry me go to hospital.
In Kingston?
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe what you need to do is to ask him if he can do a follow-up for you and find out what is happening.
I see now every time that I trouble.
Yeah.
But in drop off it, you know, I just droppy.
Yeah.
I ask, I did tell and write it for me. So me give him.
How long ago was this?
I'm talking about 3 years now, man.
That's a long time.
So me I say, if them no call me I say, or if nobody no come on, me I look same way, so I'm no host me here, if government attack, they say I go out and fix up house and fix up the things refugee for him. I say, well, you know, wait till the place collapse for the person. So the same time I say about that, if you go on, because right, you know what me there, so you can't collapse for me same way, me, you know, when one next
Alright, we'll talk about that after and we'll see if we can at least get a number and do a follow-up for you. Is that alright?
Yeah. Why most important thing is I want a house, you know. God no. Cause more time. Alright. See it now. I told you go now, you left and go down. Right now is how you could post no proper right now. You left and go to town and you go to the doctor and come back and stay 1 year for my son and I come back now. And I catch me now, I come in, you know. I come in the house, I don't even know it. Like you can't tear down anywhere and come in. I mean, you know where I mean, where they hate me for. I know what people hate me for, you know. So, sometimes you have to just trust all it yourself. It's not the end of it. You know, you have to look for something and say, anything can happen. So. Differently, boy, right now, I don't know what to say. Because right now, more money. And I say, I want my food. Right now, I don't know what to say right now.
Because your most immediate need would be food.
I need a water drum proper to hold my water.
So this is your drum here, sir?
Yeah, and no good. I just want to one night.
So when you get water to drink?
I see rainfall, me catch some water in the jug and lock up. Since last week, last week I made rainfall. I have one red jug in and half of this. Me coming in the evening and I say, boy, me go I say, boy, can't go to bed and no bed, you know. And John was saying, me throat half of the one in this and half of in this and bed. And I say, boy, I don't have no water for drinking, no, but I have jug left, you know. And I have to cook like that, you know.
Yeah.
And John was saying, man, you need a rainfall, man. You need rain in the house, man, and rainfall, man. Because I catch one cheap on the water, man, and get generally again, man. I catch one pan, man, and I catch some put now green jug and stuff to drink.
My, you were happy for the rain. More than happy.
I tell you something, I'm more happy for the rain, man. Right? I'm happy for the rain, you know what I say? Me da get one money to buy one tank, and I get the money and the money come a bank and go back and I no get it back.
What happened? You take too long to go pick it up?
Me know you like it, me know what it happened, you know.
Oh.
You know what it happened, and now the man start cuss me, my son say, he rob me money, he go for but he never get it.
Oh, okay.
He go money, go back to him for him and call and say sorry. He never get it, he never take it. I mean, when he never take it, something, so he never take it, call him, he never send it to.
Yes.
Want to jump, man, because you see, the rain a fall, no? But we know if you catch the water.
Yes.
I just that I trouble. I can't build a tank so.
Even if you catch it just a little bit because
yeah,
the drum.
Me catch just one me catch so go along so I have to use it. So we use night toilet.
Yeah.
I have to use the beard, I have to use the cook, I have to use the wash plates and so. Me catch 3 jug of them have. And 3 jug and put them in a house, 3 jug and drink. And the first they run out of water this time so I cut down for me, man.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, just saying something?
Yeah, I say, but me still I give thanks still, you know, so
yeah.
If I want to help me with anything still, I appreciate that still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can right now, I can do most of my thing right now, so.
Okay.
Take a help, just a God, you know. I give thanks.
Alright guys, so you heard his plea, the things that he would have outlined that he's lacking and would greatly need your assistance with. So if there's anything that you are able to donate to assist him, food, whatever it is, no matter how small it is, we would be more than grateful. Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Blessed love, Mama.